A great way to improve the performance and appearance of your car is by installing wheel spacers. However, it is important to choose the right type of spacers and ensure that they are installed correctly to avoid any negative effect. Let's take a look at the proper installation steps. Using a cross wrench, loosen the stock bolt in the diagonal sequence, but do not remove them completely. Using jack stand to support each end of the car is a better safety measure. To assist in removing the wheel hub, use a cross wrench to remove the stock bolt. Install a wheel hanger. Remove the wheel of the hub and set it to the side. You can use a brake cleaner to remove them. Remove any rust and dirt from the wheel hub with a rag. Widen the entire surface to ensure it is smooth, because all of that surface may cause the wheel spacer to not fit perfectly with the hub. Install the BONOSS lightweight plus wheel spacers. Then install the wheel hanger. A key advantage of BONOSS wheel spacers is the lightweight plus feature. The benefits of the lightweight plus design are that the hollow design is further optimized based on the traditional wheel spacers. It is an effective design that can reduce weight and energy consumption, and improve handling while ensuring safety and reliability. In addition, high-precision wheel spacers provide high surface integrity, effectively guarantee safety, stability, and reliability, and ensure a smooth installing experience. Install the rim and then install the standing wheel bolt. Use a torque wrench to tighten them on the wheel. Make sure they are secure. Remove the jack stands. Slowly lower the car until the tires fully touch the ground, and remove the jack. Use a torque wrench to tighten the standing wheel bolt to the specific torque. Always tighten them in a diagonal sequence. This will ensure that the standing wheel bolts work. The same operation is done for the remaining wheels. BONOSS recommend checking the use of the wheel spacers every 6 months and checking the vehicle's operation to ensure safe driving.